Okay, hopefully we're live. Just under 30 seconds. So here we go. I have a chat up over here, so you guys can see that. Something's wrong with my end parentheses matching plugin. So okay. D So just y, I'll only have to deal with that case. Okay. Oh, so close. I must be off by 1. Ooh, darn. That is unfortunate. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened to my reading it in? Oh, wait. Shoot. Uh-oh. No bueno. So the issue is something with how I'm reading it in. So if x is 8, it needs to go, so like, okay, so this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 line. So if it's 7, seven, 8, 9. So that is supposed to flip over to here, right? Well, it's not, clearly. Oh, this is not good. What is going on? Nice, Joshua. Hmm. Hmm. We still have extraneous stuff down here, though. It's kind of annoying that the test case keeps working. But like clearly it's not doing it correctly. Like this is what it's supposed to look like. I guess I should just like see if I'm getting a different answer. Now I'm confused. So this looks correct. So each one of these I need to go through. Folds. Okay. So I'm just doing the y in 7. dx dy in dots. Okay. So oh, it should be the y value, right? Wow. How did this work at all? Let me just rename everything real quick because I'm getting confused. The problem is that, so the problem is that my indices are all wonky because I converted it to a row column, so y-axis coordinates. There we go. Wait, what? I think it's fine. Yeah. Okay. So it's basically y minus, is it y minus dy? Okay, so let me think about this. So if it's 8, then it needs to go to 6. So it's like, oh, that's not right. So 8 minus dot y minus y. So big one minus the small one. Oh dear. It's dot row dot column. Just for sanity's sake, let's see. So max column. Oh wait, there's supposed to be one there? Top row is, it's like it's, I wonder if I'm messing up my row columns. So let's do this. 10, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that seems right. Goes to 4, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 14, 0 goes to 0, 0. 10, 9, which is that one, goes up here. Eleven, 4 goes to 3, 4. I do like this problem. I'm just not being able to debug very easily. So where does that one come from? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, 0. Where is it? Or is it this 12, 10 one? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Unlucky 13, I guess. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 12, 10. That's what I'm looking for. Went to 2, 10. That seems wrong. 0, 1, 2, 10. Nope, that's definitely right. Where's the other one that flips around to 12? 12, 6 goes to 2, 6. And then 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 10 is there. Oh my gosh. It's still right. So like I don't understand. Like it's just that my print function was wrong. So I'm still confused. Oh, I'm retarded. Of course, my input isn't the same as the same dimension as the sample input. Okay, that's fine. JP, JP, ZC, U, AUR. Well, my delta time was good. Okay. Where are we printing stuff? So let's make this a construct a string. Unlucky 13 for sure today. Hi, welcome. So I am working on a of code. I just finished both parts and now I'm doing some cleanup. And yeah, I'm just an idiot. I totally forgot that like you have to like look at your input and like that was quite bad. Yeah, screw the stream title. Let's edit it. Whatever. What is today? Day 13. Well, that was depressing. I did so good. I looked at the test input. I was like, oh, okay, I can only solve for the single case, but then I screwed it up. And I forgot to use my eye range, so I was really confused when I was debugging for like forever. That didn't help because I thought my initial implementation was wrong. Okay, so let's delete that. Axis. Let's see. This is really kind of a bad way of doing this, I think. Because it's XY and I want it in YX because that's row column. DC, I'm just going to call it C. It was dot column, but now I don't need that anymore because I got rid of a lot of that. Apparently there's an Easter egg. if the site loads. how yeah, how many folds is this? 12. Isn't that supposed to be impossible? Oh, whoops. So it's really annoying. It seems like, so the sample input today was weird. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so I'm using a set of the locations that I think is the best way of doing this. Prod, I rotate, invert, and infer, grid adjacencies, chunks, hash. I think I'm using none of those. Oh, I'm using rematch. And I'm using iRange now, I think. And I'm not using any of those. Cool. Okay, so now we have a let's just pull this function down to part 2 because it's really a part 2 thing. We don't need it for part 1. So this actually returns well, input parsing went well, and that was about where things stopped going great today. I don't need that anymore. We can go pull my entire simulation code. Down to there. And I guess it's like this, eh? And then down here is where it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, so today is kind of a little bit interesting since result sort of needs to be a new line here for it to look good. And really, let's just get rid of that as well, since and use a string formatting. There we go. Okay, I liked this problem. I didn't like how I did, but that's always the case. So, speaking of which, ooh. Not as bad as my worst day. So, I guess that's good. Hi, yeah, I'm done. Welcome, thanks for the raid. Not a great day today, but you know what? I liked the problem. Part 2 was easy for me because I already had a print function because I was debugging so much on part 1. So yeah, still holding on. I think Sam gained a couple, definitely gained some points on me tonight though. So 7 points. So if he keeps doing that, fourth place might be in jeopardy here. We had somebody, I think Aiden leaderboarded. So I'm no longer top on here. He's beat me by 4 points. Let's see here. So yeah, everyone beat me on part 1. Like, and then almost everyone beat me on part 2. Like, I only gained a place. Who was? Oh, Jack. Okay, well, this is another really dumb mistake, honestly. The fundamental issue was I forgot to epsilon. Here is the answer. Advent of code charts. This is the so I forgot, like a moron, that I had to handle both cases for part 1 because the input wouldn't you know it, but it's folding along the x-axis rather than the test, which is along the y-axis, and I had only implemented the y-axis, and so my test case was working. Yeah, I feel like a total moron for not correctly doing that. Let's see. Is there anything else I can think of to clean this up? I mean, obviously there's things that I can do here, but like, I guess I can do output plus equals hash if that else dot. Maybe I should just do a space. Does that look better? Well, it would look better if it weren't for... Oh, because the strip. Yeah, let's leave the dots in. The dots make sure that it lines it up. It's a little bit harder to read, but I think it's fine. Okay. Well, kind of a fun problem. I liked it. Totally didn't like how I did on the leaderboard, but let's see, where did... Okay, let's look at the chat. Eating at 38. Yeah, that'll get him a good leapfrog over me. Okay. Let's go back to local score. So yeah, Ryan's widened the gap significantly. So I'm at this point, I am pretty much like 12 points today. I'm pretty much gonna give up on contesting for first, second, and third, and I'm just gonna try and hold off Sam, which is looking pretty difficult because he's doing better than me lately by a lot. So yeah. Yeah, I'm disappointed that I forgot this part to like actually handle both cases. Which leaderboard? So this is the Mines leaderboard, Colorado School of Mines leaderboard. So I don't have the invite code. Okay, let's see here. So just a reminder before we call it a day, and we'll see if we can go raid somebody. I'm not sure who all is streaming. If anybody has any suggestions, let me know. But I have a website. I've been posting every day about my thoughts on the question, how it went, and some of my notes about the solution. This is sort of my outlet for like sort of describing what I did rather than doing it on stream, because doing it on stream requires, honestly, it requires more thinking. So if you're interested in that, go here. I also have links to all my VODs on YouTube and some summary stuff at the top as well. So you can see, for example, I've added a slot count, so 2,800 lines of code so far. A lot of that obviously is my template code, so take it out with a grain of salt. And like a lot of it's comments and white space apparently. So just some interesting stats. All right, let's go ahead and raid where's X then, because if she's going. But let's see here. Is there anything that I need to do before I do this raid? I felt like there was something else that I wanted to say, but I guess it's not important. So let's go raid.